Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the real, the official, the authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I want to tell you at action time today, Kathy came over, and when we were walking back to go to the bus stop, she's yakking a mile a minute and had her little cart. And by the way, I found out what to do with the device, so I'll tell you that in the next video. And nonstop talking behind me. And I'm trying to get over to the bank to put the money in so I could have some money to buy this stuff. And the next thing I know, my foot hits the sidewalk, and then suddenly my body left the curb. I wish I had a GoPro because you could have seen a GoPro. Sorry, not a GoPro. In my case, it would have been a GoPro maybe. You would have seen me flying. You would have seen me fly from the sidewalk to the curb without ever touching the curb. It would have been like crossing the goal line for a touchdown while flying in midair. I wound up in my two kneecaps, my face, and some woman from the bar where we were walked just about the bar runs out, "Are you all right? I think it should be a criminal felony offense to ask if you're all right if you fall down." And I go like to myself, of course I'm not all right. Would I be lying? I love the smell of concrete and asphalt in the afternoon. That's why I'm lying in face down on the street going, ooh. So then she weighed about 110 pounds. She said, "Would you like some help in getting up?" And I'm looking at her like, "Lady, you'd get a quadruple hernia as big as I am. You'd need a tow truck or a hoist or a crane or something." So I'm going like, no, I got to get up under my own power. So I told Kathy, hand my cane. My cane was lying on the ground. I managed to lift myself up, and then I said, "Bring your little cart over here so I can lean on it." Well, she brought the cart over so I could lean on it, but she didn't lock the damn wheels, so I went flying again. This time I made progress. I was lying face down on the sidewalk, and I said, "I give up." And I got up and looked at her and didn't think of it till later. I go, "Why didn't you yell the word crack so I could notice there was a crack in the sidewalk?" And I went to Ross and looked at mops, and there are all these ones where you push them up like this, and you got to twist them, and that hurt my hands. Now I landed on my hands, so my hands are really sore. My back is sore. My knees are sore. Everything hurts. I need a mop where I just wring it out like a normal old-style mop head. This really hurts moving my fingers now, too. So no mop there. Same deal at grocery outlet. Same mop. Take the thing, push it up like this, squeeze, turn it around to wring it out. Can't do that. Hurts too much. So it's the mop conspiracy. All right. Here's what we got tonight from mostly grocery outlet. I think one item or two from Ross. Something for Kathy. All right, we have the ever popular toilet paper. Yay. Let's hear. Not the cheap stuff from Walmart. I'm not going to have the time. Well, okay. We have Melita coffee filters. I have some, but this is interesting. I got these to see what they're like. And this is 40 of them with measure markers. I've never seen a coffee filter with a measure marker. These are the white ones. And what they do here, they have like a measure, so you see how much coffee you put in the filter. So that's kind of different. And you can see you got here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 12. Well, I don't have to measure for 12. I just pour enough coffee until it's too strong and then take some out. But these were $1.49. All right, the toilet paper was $6.99 for 12, and they had bamboo toilet paper. And the guy said it's $7.99 for bamboo toilet paper, and I'm going like, do you get like you get a roll shoved under your fingers when they torture you at the price or with the price? I don't know, but all right, we have Polar Pineapple Select, and my dish soap. The pop when the guy put it in the bag, it popped open, so I have dish soap all over the shopping cart. Kingsford baked beans with bacon. So we'll try these for the first time on a video and see what they taste like. I've never had them before. Polar peaches, 20 ounces in glass. These were on sale, non-GMO, for $1.99. We have a fancy feast I've never seen before. I don't know if the cats will like this or not. Gourmet naturals with added vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, plus a touch of coconut milk. Young coconuts love it. And natural trout and tuna pate recipes. I will try that for the kitties. If they don't like it, I will send some to Lucky Ferrell's or Zoa. They had more, but I don't know how much more. I'm going to go back in Friday. All right, we have here, I don't know, there may be soap residue in this stuff. I may have to clean it off with a paper towel or something. Galufetti brand grated Parmesan style cheese. And there's the Parmesan cheese. Somewhere I have the other can. This definitely has soap on it. I can see the blue. I don't know where the thing is. I had napkins here somewhere. I don't know where the hell they are. But this definitely got dish soap on it. Oh, there's a napkin here. All right, chicken of the sea, chunk-like tuna. We have a can of California Healthy Harvest peaches. We have 2 bags of the Cutie mandarin oranges. I love these things. Getting a little healthier tonight. We have here a bag of navel oranges. And we have here the aforementioned Dawn dish soap, botanicals, 2 times more grease-cutting power. This popped off and it got soap all over everything. Next time I go to the store, will we please be careful not to pop off the lid of that. We have a bag of Meyer Lemons, Brilliant brand. Looks like about 3, 6, about half a dozen or so lemons in here. So it's a pound of lemons. We have 2 bags of iceberg garden lettuce with carrots, cabbage, and romaine lettuce. There's that. Then we reach into the bag here. What else we got here? A cup of ice. We have a thing of mushrooms, white mushrooms. We have here another bag of cuties. We have a container of cherry tomatoes that keeps trying to escape. These were $2.99. We have a green bell pepper. I bought 2 of them. We have a thing, I never heard of the brand. I'm going to try this in the cat. My Little Lion Captain Cod recipe. Soft, meaty cat treats, grain-free, under 2 calories per treat. 30% made with 30% real cod. So they had this. I've never seen it in the stores. I don't know. And then I got another one. This is My Little Lion. Very cute kitty on the thing. Soft, meaty cat treats, grain-free, under 2 calories. Lickin' chicken. Lickin' chicken recipe. So there's that for my kitties. We'll see if they like it. This says made with 30% real cod, 100% grain-free. Taste cats love. 2 calories per treat. I don't know what cats they talk to when they do these things and say the cat loves it, and sometimes the cat hates it. So, all right, we have another Devour pizza. So there we'll go with that. We'll go in the freezer. I'm too tired to cook it. And we have a Can of Welch's grape juice, my favorite thing in the world to drink in the way of juice. I love orange juice, but my first love is grape juice. The other bell pepper. A whole chicken. Foster Farmers chicken. Marked down, but that's okay. It will go in the freezer. And my dinner for the night, the turkey pot pie. Marie Callender's. So that's that. A little bag here. There's something else. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, I bought this. There is one other item, but I think it's in my other bag. I'll have to dig it out later. I bought a bar of candy for Kathy. And we have here Daisy Fuentes 2-pack scrub sponges. Everybody's doing something here with their names. So this was $1.49 my sponges, and I'll just take one of these out if it will let me. Got these plastic damn things in here. Okay, these look like little pillows, so with the plastic thingies. Always with these plastic thingies here. Hardly hard to get rid of or get open because they're embedded in the fabric all the time. I don't know why they just turn them so they face the outside and you go from there. So, okay, there we go. This is a little ribbed thing. It's a sponge. And I can feel the nub of plastic there, so I don't know if I cut it off good enough or not. But nice soft fabric. It looks almost like a little tiny kitten pillow. But and I bought Kathy a bar of Lindt chocolate. Excuse me, dark chocolate with mint in it. So that's it for this haul for tonight. And I bought some healthy stuff here, so now I got to put it away. All right, I will do the video on the other thing, the device that came in the mail. I got it open finally. It took me half an hour of trying, and then it took me about 5 minutes to the bus stop. Then I had to put the SIM card in. Then they tell me the password is inside the case back, which I just closed up twice. And I'll tell you about that because I want to do a separate video. It's very important. This is a very big channel improvement that I got for free today. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Hopefully you're staying dry and warm. Excuse me. It's 8:27 in the evening, and it's got a little chill in the air, 8:28, but it's not too bad. I gotta try to figure out where I'm gonna put all this stuff. But it's Monday night, and that means 4 more days I get my check. But I spent most of the 2 checks today getting stuff I wanted to get and stuff I needed, and the only thing I didn't get is my mop. But now I have dish soap. I can do my dishes. And I have some salad, and tomatoes, and bell peppers, and mushroom. I'm going to take some bell pepper and the mushroom and cook it with the chicken when I have a Cornish game in the icebox. I'll eat that tomorrow. And then I can throw in a can of carrots, and I'll have a nice green pepper vegetable. Throw some of the green peppers in with the and the mushroom. In with the salad too. Excuse me. Sorry, it's a long, tiring day. I didn't get much sleep last night. I passed out after I told Kathy to call me to make sure I was all right, and went to sleep. And I woke up about 8:30 this morning, but I'm still tired. All right, that's it. I will catch you next time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a good evening. Bye-bye for now.